got one big squeeze here, and then a sell-off, and then another huge squeeze that we got from 9:45 to 10, and I thankfully got both of them. Alrighty, good morning everybody. My name is Andrew, doing the recap from Vancouver office with our friend Brian. How are you, Brian? How was your trading day?
I'm good. Oh, it didn't start out very well, but we finished the day strong, which just a little persistence.
Yeah, excellent.
Yeah.
So the markets gap down today for all the Q, SPY, and IWM. But really we got two big bounce on the technology sector, QQQ. One right at the open, as I show it here. We got one big squeeze here, and then a sell-off, and then another huge squeeze that we got from 9:45 to 10. And I thankfully got both of them through NVIDIA and Apple. And I'm going to show that first. So the NVIDIA was on my watch list because it was really active yesterday, and it traded really nicely yesterday. So I actually really like that. So I took a 1 minute open range breakout. As I mentioned, at the open, Qs opened very strong, although they were gapping down, but apparently there was a buying pressure on them. So 1 minute open range breakout from 280. So I got a feel at 282, popped up all the way up to 286. I added more. I thought that it's going to go up. Dropped, I added more, and then my average really became like 283, and I got stopped out at the break even. So I made some money here, and I didn't trade this one here after this is squeeze. But what I did was, so as you see, yeah, so that was a really nice 1 minute open range breakup. I did Apple on the second squeeze. So the first one, I really didn't get that. On this pullback, I went long Apple to get to the red to green, dropped, and I got stopped out. It bounced back from the VWAP, and I've maintained these moving averages. So I added a couple of times to 9:45. Eventually, I got this big squeeze that I show you on QQQ. So yeah, it really moved with the market. So it wasn't thing. You could possibly trade TQQ because it was the whole market moving together. So this move exactly. If I put this one, look at the chart on my screen. 1 minute Apple, 1 minute TQQ. That exactly correlate with each other. So as you see, this is the first squeeze, and then the sell-off. And then, that was from 9:45. That was a squeeze that it came. So you could possibly trade TQQ from 147 to 152. I think Brian traded TNA instead. So yeah, that was the trade that we got, and turned out to be really nice. So from 170 to 173, yeah. And then I added more, which I saw that's really not bouncing, and I got stopped out of it. And I trade SPXL as well. So SPXL. So again, SPXL is the leverage ETF for SPY. So the sell-off, I tried to catch a bounce here. It didn't work out. Hold this 130 level. I went long at 130.61 all the way up to 132.20. So that turned out to be a very nice trade for me. So Apple, NVIDIA, and I had a small loss on ADGI. ADGI is a lower floated stock of the day. It was about 40 million shares. I tried to take a 1 minute open range breakup. Took a small size at 60 for the break of 17. It didn't break, and I got stopped out. And I kind of knew these lower float stocks are a little bit tricky to trade. That was my trade. So Brian, what did you do? I know you did a short on Rivian.
Yeah, so I played Rivian. It was, I could tell they were trying to peg it at 95 or trying to support it at 95, but it just, I kind of knew it was going to fail. So I took a short just around 95. Caught a nice drop on it. I'm out of the rest of it long, by the way. I don't like the way it's trading. So I waited. It came down to about 93, covered the rest of it there, and then actually it held, so I went long. Got it back through 94 and sold half of it there again, and now I've sold the rest of it because it still looks like it's not ready to move higher. So yeah, overall that was good. And I had, as you said, I played TQQ, which was the technology ETF. Got a nice bounce back on that one. Yeah, exactly. Just as the Qs really started to take off. Now we're back sort of selling again, and just got long some TZA. So markets are going to be, they're going to be. I think we're going to be choppy here today.
Excellent. Yeah, that's
Yeah, the
great.
banks.
Yeah,
Bank.
no, that's
Yeah.
great. Thank
Yep.
you so much.
Good
Apple
day.
is also selling off again, back losing the VWAP. Let's see what it does. It might get some chop here, or it might just continue to sell off. Already down 1%, so I don't know how much more it wants to go. Well, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Yeah, we had a really good trading day today. Hopefully you join us. Peak Capital Bootcamp, guys, starts in January. So if you're interested, you can sign up. Well, last time I think we capped it because we got so many, and we don't want to have it very busy. So we're going to cap it because there are 2 team captains and there's only a certain group of people that you can go. It's like a private mentorship session, semi-private mentorship session. So if you're interested, check our website or email norm@peakcapitaltrading.com. And we're happy to answer any questions that you might have. Next week, I'm going to be in office, full trading week. And yeah, and then we'll
I think
have
Friday
Friday's a half day.
I think Friday is a holiday. Yeah.
Friday's a
Yeah.
holiday, or it's a
Yep.
half trading day.
I think. What is the Friday? Friday is the. I think it's I think Peter was saying it's a full day.
It's a full day.
Oh, it's just a partial. Okay.
Full holiday. Okay,
Full
so it's a full
holiday,
holiday.
yeah.
So
Peter.
yeah, next week from Monday to Thursday. And yeah, that's it, guys, everyone. So Brian is coming to the office this afternoon to record a podcast. After hours with traders. So we have it in sections that we want to have it every week. I think Jared is coming through Zoom, and me, Ardi, and Brian. So it's going to be fun. We want to discuss about so many things, from markets, crypto, Elon Musk, you name it. We're going to have a chat together. And yeah, we post it on YouTube as well. Other than that, yeah, well, all the best, you know, getting ready for
Cheers.
holiday season, holiday
Yep.
mood, and looking forward to
Yeah.
trade next to you guys. Bye.
Bye now.